Morning friends, I myself Rajkumar Medsinge, Associate Professor in Medicine Hall Delaware. I today delivering a lecture on alternation of generation in bryophytes. You know the bryophytes? What is the character of bryophytes? The character of bryophytes is that plant is not differentiated in root, stem and leaves. It is only thallus-like structure. That bryophyte having two life cycle. In life cycle there is two different life cycles or stages are present. That is, first is the gametophytic and then sporophytic life cycle. The gametophytic life cycle means what? What is meant by gametophytic? The gametophyte means gamete bearing plants. Gamete bearing, that plant direct produces a direct waste gametes, that is a antheridium and archegonium, that is a male sex organ and female sex organ. Then that gametophyte is a haploid in nature, and that gametophyte bears gametes, means bears sex organs. Then there is two types of sex organs. That is, first one is antheridium, that is a male sex organ, and then next one is a female sex organ, that is called as a archegonium. That is a two sex organ, antheridium and archegonium. It is also haploid in nature. Then that antheridium, that is male sex organ, that is antheridium bears or produces sperms, or it is also called as a anthrophytes. And then archegonium produces egg or archegonium having egg, that is called as a female nucleus, and it is also haploid in nature. Then that two gametes fuse together and form a zygote, that is called as a fertilization. Now after fertilization there is a zygote is developed. That zygote is diploid in nature. There is a male and female nucleus, fusion of male and female nucleus, and form a zygote, that is a diploid in nature. Then that zygote divide and redivide to form the embryo, and that embryo is also diploid in nature. Then embryo differentiate to produce a sporophyte, and that embryo is the first stage of the sporophytic phase to form the sporophyte. The sporophyte, the first stage, embryo is the first stage of sporophyte. Sporophyte means spore bearing structure. The function of sporophyte is a spore bearing structure. It produces spores. Then in the sporophyte there is a primary structure. In the sporophyte there is a archisporium is present, that is cells, that is called as a archisporium, and that archisporium cells divide and redivide to form the spore mother cells, and that spore mother cells and archisporium is also diploid in nature. Then spore mother cell, in the spore mother cell, that spore mother cell divide and redivide to form the spore tetrad. That is, a spore tetrad is also diploid in nature. And the spore tetrad means what? There is a four cells present in the spore tetrad. Suppose this is a spore and this is spore tetrad. In the spore tetrad, this is first cell, second cell, third cell, and backside one cell, that is called as a spore tetrad. And in the spore tetrad, there is a reduction division, it takes place, means meiosis takes place, and form the four haploid spores. Means in one spore tetrad there is a meiosis take place, reproduction, there is a meiosis takes place, reduction division takes place, and form the spores. Then from one spore tetrad there is four spores is formed. That spore is also haploid in nature, and that spore is rounded in nature. Suppose this is rounded in nature, it having nucleus, and then it is a exile. The outer wall it is called as exile, and inner wall is called as a entine. And then that spore germinate in favorable condition, means in moist condition, in cool condition, in rainy season. That spore germinates to produce gametophytic plants. Again gametophytic plants. That is a haploid in nature. Means in complete life cycle there is a two phases present. First phase is the gametophytic phase, second is the sporophytic phase. Gametophytic phase is haploid in nature, sporophytic phase is diploid in nature. And then that gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase comes alternately. First gametophytic phase, then sporophytic phase, then gametophytic phase comes alternately. So it is called as a alternation of generation. Then this phase, suppose this phase, this is a gametophytic phase, means the gametophytic phase is haploid in nature. It related to the only gametes, and it is called as a haploid phase, and it is called as a gametophytic phase. The second one is a sporophytic phase, and that sporophytic phase is a diploid in nature. That is a diploid in phase. This is the gametophytic phase, and this sporophytic phase comes alternately. So it is called as a alternation of generation, and this takes place in bryophytes, isn't it? Then this is the gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. It is comes alternately, so this is called as alternation generation. Today we stop here. Thank you very much.